We are what we repeatedly do. Rituals and routine compound over time. They transform you into the better version of yourself. But staying consistent without a proper system can be challenging. It's easy for us to lose track or get discouraged. That's why I've created a free Notion template, the Ritual and Routine Tracker, to help you build the best version of your life, one routine at a time. In this video, I'll show you how to use this template effectively to set up, monitor, and refine your daily practices. Let's begin. After you've downloaded and duplicated this Notion template, click on the New button. The new template for the day will be displayed on the screen. Scroll down and click on this Setup tab. On Routine 1, click on Routine 1 and change to your first ritual or routine. Here I've indicated manifestation as my first routine. Go up to the buttons, click on Routine 1 and change it to manifestation or your routine or ritual of choice. Click on Done when you're done. Repeat the same for the remaining buttons and tap. Here I have Routine 2 as meditations. Again, do the same for the buttons at the top. If you only have 4 habits or routine that you're going to practice, click on the Routine 5, right click and delete. Again, delete the Routine 5 button at the top. Next, if you're going to copy this updated buttons, duplicate it, and then click and drag it, move it to the mobile view. Click on mobile view. Your new buttons are reflected below. Select the routine 1 to 5 buttons and delete them. And then move these new buttons up. Click on back. You're back to your main page. Click on progress. Click edit property. You can see 5 over here. Change it to the number of ritual or routines that you've set up for. In this case, I've updated to 4, deleted the previously deleted routine, and click on done. And you're set. Click on the manifestation button. You can see that the manifestation routine for today is checked, and likewise for the remaining buttons. To create an automation for a new template every day, click on the drop down arrow, the default template, click on the 3 buttons, click on repeat, select daily, click save, and every new day there will be a template created for you to check off your ritual and routine for the day. On your mobile, simply click on mobile view and you've got the buttons for you to check off the ritual and routine for the day. Now, if you found this template useful, it'd be nice if you could leave a 5-star rating, and also leave a comment and let me know what kind of ritual and routines you're starting to practice today.